Hello everyone and welcome to the AI Mindset. In today's video, we'll be talking about what exactly is AI and how it is changing the world. Artificial intelligence or AI is the ability of machines to learn and think like humans. It is a technology that enables machines to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence, such as recognizing speech, making decisions, and even driving cars. AI has already revolutionized the way we live and work. For example, in manufacturing, AI-powered robots are being used to assemble products with greater speed and accuracy. And in healthcare, AI is being used to diagnose diseases and identify the best treatment options. Self-driving cars are another example of AI in action. By using machine learning algorithms, these cars are able to navigate roads and make decisions just like a human driver. Another common use of AI is in virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa. These AI-powered assistants can recognize voice commands and perform tasks like setting reminders or playing music. As AI continues to advance, it is changing the way we work too. For example, AI-powered chatbots can now handle customer service inquiries and even schedule appointments, freeing up human employees to focus on more complex tasks. But with all the benefits of AI, there are also concerns about its impact on society. Some worry that AI could lead to job losses, and others are concerned about the ethical implications of creating machines that can think and learn like humans. So, that's a brief overview of what AI is and how it is changing the world. In future videos, we'll be diving deeper into specific topics related to AI, so be sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.